What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Victure mini Wi-Fi camera PC240. So I've actually bought this camera from Amazon and I paid $35.99, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right, we'll have a quick look around the box before I open it. So as you can see, the box is pretty small, so you know the camera is going to be tiny. So apart from the information on the back of the box, that's the only information we get. So first of all, it tells you it's 1920 by 1080p. It's got a wide angle lens. It works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's got night vision, motion detection, and it works with iOS, Android and PC devices. So all you need to do is download the app from Google Play or from the App Store. And the app is called HD Minicam Pro. So once you download that, you're good to go. So apart from that, it does say that you get 12 months warranty with the camera as well. So right, we'll open it up and have a look at it. So first of all, we've got a greetings card. So in here it just says thank you for purchasing the item. It's got some contact details just in case if you have any issues or problems, you can get in touch with Victure customer support directly. And it does say there you get a 1-year warranty as well. Next we've got the user manual. So that's in different languages as well. And here we've got the mini camera itself. So this is the mini camera. And as you can see, it's a very small camera. Fits in the palm of my hands. It's not very thick, and it's pretty good as well. And it's got built-in rechargeable batteries as well. That's a good thing about it. So right, what can I tell you about it? If you look around it, you can see these 10 LED infrared LED bulbs, and that's for the night vision. In the middle of there, we've got the camera lens, which is a 2 megapixel. And it records at 1080p at 25 frames per second. So above there we've got the micro SD slot, and that uses a class 10 micro SD card up to a 64 gigabyte. Best to use the maximum because you want long recording times. So next after that we've got the charging port, and this is where you charge the rechargeable batteries. It takes up to 2 hours to charge, will give you 40 minutes play time. Another thing you can do, you can connect this to the permanent power supply, and that will give you continuous recording. Or if you wanted, you can connect that directly to a power bank, and that will give you continuous recording as well. Next after that we've got the on and off switch. After that, if you can see that little hole there, that's the factory reset button. And then that's everything on the camera itself. There is a microphone somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. On the back of it, we've got a QR code and we've got the details for the camera itself. So the actual back of it is magnetic. So when you do connect it up, you can connect it up to fridges or anything metal, and you can mount it like that. So I've got this metal bracket as an example because it's made out of metal, and it just sticks to it like that. So you can mount it anywhere basically on metal. So that's really good. I do like that. You do actually get 2 mounts in the box, and I will show you that in a minute. And they just connect to the back of it, and they're made out of metal as well. Metal and plastic. So right guys, that's the camera itself. Next I'll show you what else we get in the box. So first of all, we've got a short charging lead. It's a USB, and that connects to the power point of the camera itself. So they're giving you a short lead just in case if you want to connect it to a power bank. You can connect it into a power bank, and you can connect it directly into the camera itself, like so, and you can continuously record like that. Or if you wanted, you can connect that to a permanent power supply like a plug or something as well. So that's what the short lead's there for. Next we've got a longer power lead. Next we've got a pin to press the factory reset button. We've got two mounts. We've got this one mount here, and as you can see it's got metal on the back and it's a clip mount. So you can actually attach this to your clothes or to some curtains or anything basically which you can clip onto. So I'll just show you how the camera just clips onto it like that. And it's pretty strong as well, that. So that's pretty cool and it's a good idea, that. So that's one mount, and the next mount we've got is an adjustable mount. So you can adjust that to whatever position you want. So that's pretty cool. It's got a 3M sticky pad at the bottom. And again, this is metal here. This has got a bit of rubber on it as well. And the camera just connects directly to it like that. So that's pretty good as well. Just got to be careful just in case somebody pinches your camera, because they're very easy to take off as well. But it is a discreet camera if you keep it hidden. But this would be good to stick in a window or something like that to watch your car, and it's pretty discreet as well. So right guys, that's everything we get into the box. I'm just thinking what else can I show you. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show you how to connect up to the app, which is called HD Minicam Pro. So what you need to do, you need to download this app here, and it's called HD Minicam Pro, and you'll download that from the App Store or from Google Play. So once you've downloaded it, you'll open it up. Next thing you want to do is turn the camera on, and you do that via the switch. Once you've turned it on, this light will come on. Next thing you want to do is press the reset button until the red light just flashes on and off. So I'll keep hold of that now for 10 seconds. Right, now the red light is on, we'll just wait for that to start flashing. Let's put that down. So as you can see, that started flashing red. So the next thing we do is go to the plus to add a camera, set up Wi-Fi device, add a device. So what we'll do is you can connect this by Wi-Fi as well. So what we'll do is we'll go to settings, choose the camera. This is my camera here and it's connected up. Next thing we do is go back to the app, and here's the camera itself. So it's logging into it now. So there you go, it's connected now. If you turn it to the side, it gives you a bit more information. So if you can see here at the top, it says 1020p. If you hit that, you can change that to 1080p now. So right, that's on 1080p now. So if you press this on the top, you can control the brightness up and down. If I press, this is for the contrast, you can turn that up and down. This is for the infrared, for night vision, you can turn that on and off. Or if you want to turn it to black and white, just press that and it should go to black and white. There you go. So if I press it again, it should go back to colour. This I'm not sure what it's for, but you can turn it on and off. And if anybody does find out what it's for, please can you let us know in the comments. it does actually turn on and off. But there you go. Something wrong with my fingers, I think. So right, apart from that, I've not got a micro SD card in there at the moment, so I can't show you any footage or anything. But I'll just quickly go around the app. Here we've got the speaker. So it's got a built-in microphone. Hello? So it's got a built-in microphone. Hello? So it's got a built-in microphone. Hello? So it's just repeating itself because it can hear this repeating into this, and it's going to constantly keep on going. So that's that. It's got a microphone there as well. Right, I'll turn that off. It's got a microphone as well. Like I said before, I've just lost my thoughts. But all you need to do is press this, and then you can talk into it, and it will talk to people. But it's not actually working because I've got the speaker off. Here you can take pictures. Like I said, I can't because I've not got the micro SD card in it, but you just press that. Snapshot saved. I might have saved it onto there, but I'm not sure. So this will turn the camera upside down. I'm just going to put that there like that for a minute. Camera, and it's on there. So if I press this again, it'll turn it upside down depending on how it's mounted. This will do the opposite way around. This will record a video footage, and like I said, that will take a picture. So that's everything on the screen itself. That's how we come out of it. So if you press the settings buttons, you can modify device. So here you can change your password or whatever have you. I won't bother. You can delete the device, reconnect the device settings. So here you can set the alarm configurations, the Wi-Fi configurations, the SD card record configurations. So this is some of the information on here, and you can reformat the micro SD card on here as well. So once you've turned it on and everything and put your micro SD card into the camera, what you want to do is reformat the micro SD card. So right, I'll just come out of that. You can set your time, miscellaneous settings, change password, device reboot. So that's the only other settings we've got. You can change things here as well. So if you see the box up there at the top, if you press that, you can connect up to 4 cameras. So if you wanted them in this grid, all you do is press plus, press the IP camera, and that's it. Straight away our cameras come on. And if I press play, it will give us live footage as well. It's not bad at all, really. It's better when it's mounted. So right, like I said, if you had another 3 cameras, you can connect them up here and you can view them all together. So that's another good thing as well. So right guys, trying to see if there's anything else I can show you. That's it really. Apart from the bottom. So this must have been the snapshot I actually took before. So you can delete that by pressing the top. So that's been deleted. And your recordings would be down here, where you could view your recordings on your camera or what you've downloaded. But I've not actually recorded anything. Like I said, I've not got a micro SD card in there. And finally we've got the alarms at the bottom as well. So right guys, that's everything I can show you, definitely. So right guys, I hope this helped somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.